DigiKey custom die cuts featuring 3M materials provide 3M material technologies in the exact form, fit, and function for your design and production needs. Products include for EMI EMC absorbing, protection, shielding and thermal attachment tapes, pads, and heat spreading solutions. Bonding solutions include a wide variety of solutions for thin bonding and structural attachment solutions across a variety of substrates and applications. Using custom die cuts enables you to maximize design flexibility while minimizing weight and size. The DigiKey technical team can help you identify the right solution for joining dissimilar materials while integrating an ideal shape and size for consistent production processing without investing in expensive equipment. 3M offers materials to bond to nearly any material and finish with minimal surface preparation, including ultra-thin options that provide a clean, slim appearance that maximizes thinness. 3M offers a wide selection of materials, electronic, electrical, and bonding applications, and DigiKey enables your design with a custom die cut for a perfect fit in your application.